Hi, you're watching UseWise YouTube channel. I'm Adriana Barnek, CEO of Miadria Group, and here with me is Mladen Barnek, our CTO.
Hi.
So we are continuing our series on IT for business executives. This is one of the questions that we get quite often. They are worried about the public cloud and ask us what is so specific about the public cloud that it is worth all the hassle, and why is there so much talk about the public cloud and the need to move to the public cloud. When at the same time they love having their own data centers and they got used to that. What would be the answer to that question, Mladen?
So public cloud is a basis for mobile applications for many of new services that are not available on-prem in data centers, and enables much speedier application development, new business processes, and provides unmatched reliability and scalability. So if a company needs to reinvent business processes or is trying to develop a new business model, then I would say public cloud is a must. If it is an established enterprise with a lot of legacy applications, there is a huge advantage of using public cloud, since it enables you not to do forklift upgrades, and provides you with a path towards cloud native development and migration of applications and existing business processes to new business models and new processes, and with public cloud, you get access to newest hardware and newest software capabilities. So
yeah, and one of the examples is, for instance, people sometimes when we mention the mobile phones and the mobile applications, they say, okay, but I can read email on my mobile phone. What's the difference? Well, the difference is, for instance, if you're using G Suite or if you're using Office 365 as opposed to the on-premise Office applications, if you use those Office productivity suites in the cloud, then you're able also to edit your table on your phone. You're able to use it in a completely different way.
Yes, especially identity and access management is a part of public cloud and enables you to connect with your customers and to manage your employees and partners. So security is one of major concerns, and with public cloud you get more security than you would be able to provide in on-prem installations, especially for APIs and for new business models where you have to expose your company to public internet. So if you are using public internet to transact with your customers and with your business partners, then public cloud becomes kind of a better place to host your applications, and especially to develop new applications.
Yeah, and this disconnect that public cloud is in fact much more secure than the old way of doing business is very interesting, because lots of companies see it differently, and that is basically the same as with the bank and keeping your money in your mattress, isn't it?
I would say even worse. So many companies are not able to manage security, and we are constantly facing breaches in I don't know, credit cards are stolen, or data is leaked from on-prem.
Yeah, but this analogy between mattress and the bank is very, picturesque and can give people something to think about, because if you keep your money in your mattress can become wet, somebody can steal your mattress. It is not definitely a very secure way to keep your money, and that's the same analogy as having your
With
own
data.
premise data center and keeping your data on premise. And
Yeah, so it's better not to keep your data in mattress.
Yeah, definitely. Yeah, because the banks, the same as the public cloud, came to be because people wanted to have somebody that is equipped to deal with the money and keeping the money in the safe, and in various other ways keeping it safe from all the things that can happen if you keep your money at home. And that's the same with the on-premise and public cloud.
So many of public cloud services provide vault and data loss prevention technologies, where you can identify and prevent leakage of data you would like to protect.
Yeah, and one of the facts that one needs to know is that Google, Microsoft, AWS, they all employ lots of very qualified people, the best in their branch, that deal with security, and you can take advantage of all of
currently that. Many enterprises are faced with the legacy technology that is very dangerous, NPLS and VPN. So those things are extremely unreliable and not suited for public internet use. So you are risking a lot if you continue to invest down that road. Since most of customers and business partners are using public internet, you must have applications that are well architected and protected and can survive living connected to the public internet. If you rely on VPN or MPLS to protect your applications, that's a very bad sign.
Yeah, definitely.
And anyway, today people are having a lot of issues accessing such data silos. So yeah, I would say many enterprises are facing this problem. They invested a lot in on-prem. They have this very bad MPLS and VPN technologies, and suddenly people are using mobile phones. People are trying to access data through web browser, not through FAT clients. Or Java clients, stuff like that. So many banks, for example, have a lot of issues since they traditionally deployed Java on client side, which is extremely bad idea. So today having Java on client side, it's no.
Thank you so much. It is very difficult to give an extensive overview of such a difficult topic in such a short period of time. Is there anything else that you would like to add for the wrap-up?
Yes, so we are available on Fridays. You can reserve your slot if you would like to hear our experience, and maybe we can work together.
If you want somebody to challenge you, contact us and we can challenge your way of thinking, your prejudices about the IT, and we can help you to move into the new world and be more secure in your business model and in your IT. So please click subscribe to our channel, like the video if you like it, and looking forward to seeing you again. Thank you, Mladen, for your time.
Bye. Have a nice day.
Bye. Have a nice day. Bye.